Hello everyone, how are you? Hope you are doing great. Today we are going to learn a new topic called adjectives. Now, before that, can you recall the names of the toys that we have studied or learned in the previous lesson? Yes, I'm sure you can recall some of the names of the toys. And today, let's learn about adjectives. What are adjectives? Okay, adjectives is used to describe words. Adjectives are words that describe the quality of a person, animal, place or thing are called adjectives. Words for numbers, colors, sizes and shapes are called adjectives too. Now, let's look at the examples. Okay, do you know what toy is this? Yes, it's a train. Okay, compare these two trains. Are they same? No, isn't it? So, how do you describe this train? It's a long train. Long. It's a long train. And how about this one? It's a short train. Short. Next. What picture is this? Yes, a picture of ball. Okay, are those balls same? No, isn't it? So, how do you describe this ball? Or how do you compare these balls? This is a big ball. It's a big ball. And how about this one? It's a small ball. Small. Next. Yes, it's a picture of cars. How do you describe this car? It's an old car. How about this one? It's a new car. Old, new. Next. Yes, it's a picture of dolls. There are two dolls. How about this one? Can you describe this one? Yes, it's an ugly doll. And this is a beautiful doll. It's an ugly doll. It's a beautiful doll. Now it's activity time. So students, can you look at your task sheet? Okay. Listen carefully and tick the correct picture. Are you ready? I hope you are ready with your task sheet and your pencil. Let's start. Number 1. A long pencil. A long pencil. Number 2. A big bag. A big bag. Number 3. A beautiful doll. A beautiful doll. Next, number 4. A small go-kart. A small go-kart. Number 5. An old teddy bear. An old teddy bear. Are you done? It's very easy, isn't it? Okay, that's all for today. See you in the next video. Thank you.